Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Toyota Camry in Forza Horizon 5. Unfortunately, the Toyota Camry is not actually available in the game. This means there's no way to purchase it from the auto show, win it in a wheel spin, or earn it through any seasonal events. Many players wish it were included, but as of now, it simply isn't part of the car roster. So if you're looking for it, you won't find it. You might wonder why a popular car like the Camry isn't in Forza Horizon 5. It comes down to licensing agreements between car manufacturers and game developers. Toyota has historically been quite particular about which games feature their vehicles. While some classic Toyota models are in the game, newer or specific models like the Camry often aren't included due to these complex licensing decisions. It's a common situation in racing games. Since the Camry isn't an option, you might be looking for alternatives. Forza Horizon 5 offers a wide variety of other four-door sedans that can provide a similar feel or even better performance. Consider exploring models from manufacturers like Audi, BMW, or Mercedes-Benz. Many of these cars offer a great balance of speed and handling, perfect for cruising or racing across Mexico. Head to the auto show to browse the available options. The community frequently discusses cars they'd like to see added to Forza Horizon 5, and the Toyota Camry often comes up. While there's no guarantee, game developers sometimes add new vehicles through updates or expansions. It's always a good idea to stay tuned to official Forza channels for any announcements regarding new car packs or content. For now, enjoy the fantastic selection of cars already available in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.